Hello, ladies and gentlemen. The next topic that we are going to see is salient features of the Indian climate. So these are all the features of the Indian climate. First one is a monsoon climate. As already said in a previous video that India receives a major rainfall during a monsoon period. Okay. Next one is the seasons. Okay. Indian climate condition also divided into a six major seasons. One is a winter, where when there is a temperature will be very cold. Next there is a fall of a winter, so temperature gradually will become increase. Next spring one, okay, spring season. Then summer season, the temperature will be very high in a summer season. After that, due to the condensation of air, the air will become moisturized and then it pours a rain. Next there will be a dry and the fall of a leaves in a trees. This is the autumn season. Okay, there is a reversal of wind. Okay, during a summer season, wind from a southwest will enter into a Indian subcontinent and then it gradually enters into the India. Okay, but during the winter season, after the wind reaches the northwest, after the southwest monsoon reaches the north and west part of a country, and during a winter season, the temperature, the wind will get reversed. There will be a reversal of a wind. The wind changes the direction, and again it enters into the Indian subcontinent. Then it comes back. So this is what is known as a reversal of a wind. During summer season, southwest monsoon will enter into the Indian subcontinent, and after it reaches the northwest monsoon, and during a winter season, the wind will change the direction, and again it comes back to the Indian Ocean. Okay, so this is what is known as a reversal of a wind. Then seasonal and variable rainfall. Okay, so seasonal rainfall, as already said that India receives its maximum rainfall during a monsoon period. India does not receive rain throughout the year. There will be no rain throughout the year. Only during a monsoon season it receives a maximum rain, and in other season it receives a very minimum amount of rain. Okay, and variable rainfall indicates that one places of Indian subcontinent receives a very high rainfall, but other place receives a very low rainfall. Take for example Cherrapunji. Cherrapunji receives a very high rainfall. Then take Rajasthan, which receives a very low rainfall. So this is what is known as a variable rainfall. Then high and low pressure area. During a winter season, an high pressure area will form over the Indian subcontinent, and during a summer season, a low pressure area will form over a land, and it will cause a rain. Then climatic diversity. Okay, so there will be a change in the climate from one place to another place. Some place will be very hot, and there will be a very extreme climate, and other place will be a very cold climate. Take for example the regions like Himalayas, Ladakh, it will be very cold. The regions like Rajasthan will be very hot. Then in southern India, which was very close to the equator or tropical region, it is a moderate amount of a season. Okay, there will be no extreme temperature, and there will be no extreme hot, and there will be no extreme cold in a southern part of a country. Due to it was surrounded by a sea water, there will be a flow of a temperature between a land and a sea. So there will be a moderate climate will be there in southern India. So the high temperature that was caused in southern India was moderated by a presence of a sea. But in northern India, especially the region like Rajasthan, Gujarat, which was very much away from a sea water, the climate will be very extreme one, very hot one. Same thing we can say into the Himalayan region, which was also very distance from a sea, so there will be very cold climate due to the incoming wind from Arctic regions. So this was the climate diversity. Next is the natural disaster. So natural disasters like flood, landslide happens due to the rain, and also forest fires. Forest fire may also happen in a summer season due to the very high temperature. So this is what is known as the salient features of an Indian climate. Thank you.